Have you ever wondered why exhaustion turns you into a chainsaw at night? When experiencing sleep deprivation, snoring intensifies due to alterations in sleep architecture during recovery sleep. Extreme fatigue causes throat muscles to relax excessively, significantly increasing airway obstruction likelihood. During REM sleep stages, respiratory muscle tone reduction becomes more pronounced, attenuating pressure responses to breathing challenges. Airway narrowing during snoring reduces oxygen delivery, causing microarousals that prevent deep restorative sleep stages. Exhausted individuals enter deeper sleep stages more rapidly and remain there longer, creating stronger airflow through relaxed airways. The combination of compromised muscle tone and deeper sleep stages makes snoring not only more frequent, but considerably louder. This physiological response demonstrates why adequate rest maintains proper upper airway muscle function and prevents excessive nocturnal vibration.